Hello student, in this video we will discuss about disaccharide. Disaccharide is a compound of two monosaccharide. When two monosaccharide combine to each other with the releasing of the water, so it form disaccharide, and these two monosaccharide are bonded by glycosidic linkage. So glycosidic linkage always present in the carbohydrate. Then student, we will discuss about the different kind of the disaccharide. So first one is a very important, this is the sucrose. So sucrose is a very sweetening agent, and apart from that it is present in a sugar cane and various type of fruits. And very important feature of this sucrose is invert sugar. So why it is known as invert sugar? So you can see here. So you can see here sucrose having plus 66.5 degree dextro rotation. Dextro rotation means what? If plane polarized light we fall on the sucrose, so it rotate the plane polarized light 66.5 degree in right hand side. So when the light is rotating in a right hand side plane polarized light through any compound, so that compound is a dextrorotatory. So similarly you can see here before the hydrolysis this sucrose is showing dextrorotation, that is 66.5 degree. Then after the hydrolysis it form glucose and the fructose. Yes, so glucose having the 52.5 degree dextrorotation, and fructose having minus 92 degree minus 92.4 degree uh, rotation, but it is in a negative. So negative means levo rotation. So you can see the value of the glucose is lower than the value of fructose, so this value overcome the glucose value, and finally the equimolar of these two compounds show levo rotation. So what is happening? Sucrose having dextro rotation, while the compound of this sucrose show the levo rotation. So this property of the sucrose is known as the invert sugar. Then student, we will talk about the enzyme. So what kind of the enzyme can break down the glucose? So sucrase enzyme and invertase enzyme both enzyme can hydrolyze the sucrose into glucose and the fructose. Then student, this is the non-reducing sugar. So why it is a non-reducing sugar? Because it cannot reduce the Fehling and Tollens reagent. And why it cannot reduce the Tollens and Fehling reagent? So you can see here, this is the structure of the sucrose. Yes, so this is the molecule of glucose, and this one is uh, molecule of fructose. So in this structure you can see the second carbon of fructose is combining with the first carbon of glucose. So because of that, the keto group of fructose and aldo group of the glucose both are not free in this structure, so they cannot react with Tollens reagent and Fehling reagent. So because of this reason, this is the non-reducing sugar. Then student will discuss about the next disaccharide. This is the lactose, and lactose is present in the milk, and this is the reducing sugar. Okay, and why it is reducing? Because it can reduce the Tollens reagent and Fehling reagent. Then student, you can see here on the screen lactose in the presence of the lactase enzyme, it can convert into the glucose and galactose. Yes, and this is the structure of the lactose. So you can see here this is the structure of galactose, and this one is a structure of glucose, and both are combined by the beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage. Then student, here I want to tell you difference between the what is the difference between the galactose and the glucose. So you can see at the carbon number 4. So the structure molecular formula is completely similar to glucose C6H12O6, but what is the difference? You can see difference here. At the carbon number 4, the hydroxyl group is present over the carbon, and in the glucose, at the carbon number 4, the hydroxyl group is present under the carbon. So this is the difference between the glucose and galactose, and rest of the structure is completely similar. You can see here HO at the carbon number first, H and OH here also similar. Second carbon is also similar. At the third carbon everything is similar, but at the carbon number 4, if the hydroxyl group is under the carbon, so that is the glucose, and if the hydroxyl group is present above the carbon in the structure, so that is a galactose. Then student will discuss about the maltose. This is the third one and last one, maltose. Maltose is one of the reducing sugar, and whenever maltose break down during the hydrolysis, so it produce two molecule of glucose, because the maltose having two molecule of the glucose only. So in this structure, the two glucose are combined by the alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage. So here you can see this is the structure of glucose. This is the alpha glucose. This one is also alpha glucose. So carbon number first is combining with the carbon number 4. So this is the bond alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage. So student, hopefully you understood about the disaccharide. In the next video we'll discuss about the polysaccharide. Thank you.